Look closely at the plug you're using right now. Not the cable, not the charger, the plug itself. Near the end of each metal prong, you'll find something strange. Two tiny holes. They're so common that most people never notice them. Yet they're found on millions of plugs across America. Phone chargers, televisions, lamps, coffee makers, computers, almost everywhere. But here's the weird part. Your device would still work perfectly fine if those holes didn't exist. So why are they there? What purpose do they serve? And why has this tiny design survived for more than 100 years? The answer takes us back to the early days of electricity, when inventors were still figuring out how to safely bring power into people's homes. Today, plugging something into a wall takes less than a second. But in the late 1800s, electricity was still a brand new technology. Many homes didn't even have electric power. Those that did often used completely different systems. There were no universal standards, no agreed-upon plug designs, no consistent outlets. Inventors and companies were experimenting with their own solutions. Some plugs were round, some were square. Some looked more like mechanical tools than electrical connectors. It was a confusing mess, and as electricity spread across America, it became clear that something needed to change. People needed a simple way to connect devices safely and reliably. That challenge would inspire some of the most important electrical inventions ever created. One inventor played a major role in solving this problem. His name was Harvey Hubble. In the early 1900s, Hubble was working on better ways to connect electrical devices. At the time, many electrical connections were inconvenient. Some were unreliable, others were unsafe. Hubble believed there had to be a better solution. Over the years, he patented several plug designs, and one of those designs included something very familiar: tiny holes near the ends of the plug prongs. At first glance, they looked insignificant. But those little holes served an important purpose. Back then, some electrical outlets included small metal bumps inside. These bumps acted like tiny locks. When the plug was pushed into the outlet, the bumps snapped into the holes. That created a stronger connection. The plug was less likely to slip out, less likely to disconnect accidentally, and more likely to stay securely in place. The holes weren't originally created for electricity itself. They were created to help the plug physically lock into the outlet. In other words, the holes were mechanical, not electrical. Once manufacturers started making plugs with holes, they discovered another advantage. Factories could use those holes during production. Machines could grip them. Testing equipment could hold them. Alignment tools could position them more accurately. Tiny improvements added up quickly. And when you're producing millions of plugs every year, even small efficiencies can save enormous amounts of money. Suddenly, the holes had more than one purpose. They helped in the outlet, and they helped in the factory. Today, most modern outlets don't use locking bumps anymore. Instead, they rely on spring tension. Metal contacts squeeze against the plug and hold it securely. That means the holes are no longer essential. In fact, many plugs could work perfectly fine without them. But by then, the design had already become standard. Factories were built around it. Manufacturing systems expected it. Consumers were used to seeing it. And changing a standard can be expensive. So the holes stayed, year after year, decade after decade, quietly surviving long after their original purpose faded away. And that's what makes everyday objects so fascinating. The smallest details often hide the biggest stories. Those tiny holes weren't added by accident, they weren't created for decoration, and they weren't originally meant to improve the flow of electricity. Instead, they were a clever solution to a problem that existed more than a century ago. A practical idea that became part of a standard, and a standard that survived for generations. Today, millions of people use electrical plugs every day. Most never notice the holes, and even fewer know their story. But now you do. So the next time you plug in your phone charger, take a closer look. Because hidden inside those two tiny holes is a piece of engineering history. And that's exactly why the ordinary things we use every day are often the most interesting of all.